I'll allow you just tell us a bit about that.
Okay. So what transpired is during my preparation for the matter for which I was assigned, I noticed throughout the detention record multiple confessions or entries that suggested that there were multiple confessions. In interviewing, though, Mr. Ariste, he maintained a position that I found to be credible and strong in that, number one, the police involved were never looking for him. They were in search of his brother. The next was that immediately, almost immediately, he was subject to abuse at the hands of officers and sought to maintain his innocence. But after an increase in pressure, he was forced to confess to multiple offenses. Then I was made aware of his conviction before one particular court. And, it concerned me given the fact that he was not represented by counsel, given the fact that, I found him to be honest. And I don't say that I find other people to be dishonest. But there are sometimes situations that cause you to see a person for who they really are. And I think that my spirit led me in the right direction because it has played out at the highest level. But anyway, aside from that, what troubled me is that subsequent to him being convicted by one court, he was then acquitted in another court. Same detention record, same case, or I should say, same defense instead of case. And at that particular time, he was represented by counsel who was also assigned to him. So we're dealing with contrasting decisions. And in fact, the judgment from the Privy Council spoke to that very loudly towards the end.